Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag Pink Ribbon. This is a challenge that is being hosted by Jean at Jean's Gems here on YouTube. And every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday throughout October, we have prompts to follow. And for let's see what day this is for. I do these ahead. So this is a cluster and it is made for October 9th, which is Wednesday this week coming up. So I had a scrap of, this is pretty in pink paper from Stampin' Up! From the last project you would have seen by now, hopefully. Was it the last one? Yes, the last project from the 8th. So the paper, I'll just quickly show that to you again because I have it here. I explained what all the paper and stuff was from. It's from the same Page Evans, what is it called? What is it called? In case you didn't see that, it is called, what is it called? Garden Shop. Very pretty, and I pulled it out because it has all these beautiful pinks in it. And since this is pink ribbon, that's what I wanted, pinks. And this definitely was a scrap left over. This was one of the ephemera tags, cut apart tags. It was just all flowers, so I just put that on. So anyway, let me step back. On the paper, I again stenciled using the cake, excuse me, cookie. If Paige watches this, I just want to say thank you, thank you. I love these stencils, these cookie stencils, and there actually are 4 designs, not 2. I only used 2 because there's 2 sheets in here with 2 on each, and I used both of them with Kitsch Flamingo, my new favorite pink of all time. And then oh shoot, I think I took it down to the recycle. I finished this little piece of seam binding ribbon that came out of a 2-pack from Hobby Lobby. The pale one, pale pink I have a lot of, but this color is gone. This was all I had left and it's folded over there. So there was a little cardboard thing and I dabbed it into tea dye ink and you can see a little bit of it here, maybe. See, it's like circles. And I just put them wherever there was a bare spot from the other things. Then I had this lace. Where did I put that one? Lace. This is from, let me get these stencils out of the way. This I think was Walmart on sale way long ago, I'm sure. 2018. And it looks like this, so I put a piece of that over the top of the whole thing. Then I put the tag on, and then I put this on, and I stapled that with my little itty bitty stapler. And then I thought, okay, now what? I needed a sentiment, so I cut this out of the paper pad page that has sentiments, make today beautiful. I wanted something more like be strong or whatever, but anyway. What I think I'm going to use this for is in that same journal I mentioned. I don't know if it was this video or another one. I'm going to make this be maybe a tuck pocket, or pocket, a tuck spot. I was going to do it at the bottom, but the way I put this, I can't. So it'll probably be like an upper left corner tuck spot in a journal where you glue down here and here, here and here. So you can see the staple. And it actually is a purpley pink, so that worked out okay, even though you can't see it. I also have the last little bit of doily, you can't see it, it got buried, but it's under there too. I think I put the lace down, then the doily, then all this other stuff. And this is up on, I think on dimensionals. No, I think I glued that down with Fabri-Tac. And here is my pink ribbon. Same, I used one before. And I just sort of tuck the ribbon flags a little bit under this gemmy. And I don't know where these gemmy came from, but they have, I'm probably blinding you, but they have like, can't see them. There's like a flower design in the middle, and then I had these little acrylic flowers in different colors, and I just scattered them across too. So it's all about flowers and different colors in here. So there is sort of a creamy color, and this is more white and a blue and a pink because they're sort of the colors in there and in here too. Um, and that's it. This is up on dimensionals in the middle, but it's glued down over here and glued. Well, it was glued over here. The glue didn't hold. I used a combination of Fabri-Tac and art glitter glue on this. I used art glitter glue under this, and these I actually used Fabri-Tac because they're not flat on the bottom, and they were not sticking as good with the art glitter glue. So that is my make for hashtag pink ribbon, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back soon with another video. Have a wonderful day. Hugs, love, and peace.